Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how auto animation works. I have a screen over here and I'm going to make a copy of it. So for auto animation, one thing you should make sure of is the title of the screen is same. If I have iPhone over here, there should be iPhone over here as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select these profiles of dogs and place it at the center and send it to back. I'm going to do this 4 times for all the screen, for all the profiles, and send to back. So this is done. Now it's pretty simple. I'm going to go to prototype and select this add button and place it here. So make sure you have selected smart animate here. You can change the time, and ease in and out works. And then I'm going to select this add option from the other screen and place it back here. And again, you have to make sure that the smart animation is selected. So let's see how it works now. Okay, so when I tap here, all these goes behind, and when I tap here again, these comes. So this is what auto animation does.